Good day, Divergence traders. How you doing today? It's might as well say it's Monday, but it's Tuesday because of that weird holiday yesterday, whatever the hell that was. Okay, so we're looking at the Nasdaq, and we're looking at the 5 minute, and well, there was a trade here, but I wouldn't take this trade. I shouldn't even be showing you, but I have to. Okay, this is the opening right here. U.S. stock market on Wall Street. Yeah, in New York City, America. Yeah. Anyway, so we have a high and a retracement and a higher high. And across here, so you would have sold it here if you were brave enough to do it before, about 5 minutes before. There's 20 points. Well, you needed 24 points to hit your 1-to-1, and well, you might have got it if you put your target there. Anyway, and then she took off up, as you can see. And why did they take it up like this and then ram it right down people's throats? Why did they do that? Do you know why? Oh, I know why. And I was just talking about that on late last week, I think it was. They take it up to fool people into buying. People are buying all the way up in here and thinking, oh, it's okay. Yeah, we're going to have an up day, and put their stop here, right? Say they waited for this first 5 minutes to close. They got in long. It went up in their favor a little bit, right? 40 points to be exact. What was your stop? Your stop would have been 60 if you go by how I measure my stop and put it in place. But anyway, they got people going long. It's called the buy fake, and then they took them down. Now, if we went and did a step lower on the 5 minute, okay, here's the open right here. There's no trade right here, okay? To buy it, there's none. But is there a trade to sell it? Oh, you betcha. It's kind of risky, but it was one of those days. Me, of course, I was waiting for it was coming down, coming. I didn't get in here because on the 5 minute and 15 minute, it was bullish big time. Unlike most of the time frames, when the price was right here, it was bullish, man. It was bullish. I'm trying to be careful. I'm trying not to buy, okay, or I mean sell when it's in a freaking uptrend, right? So anyway, then it came down, and I was going to look to sell it right here, and I hesitated because I was hoping to get a closed upward candle. See? That closes higher than where it opened. That's what I was looking for. So anyway, I did this trade. I sold it in here, and down it went, and it hit my little scalper target, which was seven points. And then once it did this, it bounced off support 2, came back up, and it looked like, oh, maybe they're going to take it up to here or here. I didn't know, but I was waiting, and this is what I was waiting for right here. There we go. And then all that you have to wait for is the proof. And the proof is a lower closing candle below the 2 moving averages plus the 5 doing a cross down. So if you would have sold it right here, your stop would be 23 points. It went down like 100, man. It went down 100. Here's another scalp trade right here. I did some more scalp trades. Doom, 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 doom. Made about 45 points. 44. I made 44 points today doing little scalps because that's the way I like to trade. I'm a scalper. More like a sniper, actually. I really look for high precision entries where you don't go into drawdown. That's what I kind of look for. But anyway, the only retracement I got was here, and I didn't take it, and I had to wait till down here, and it was kind of scary. But once it came down here, I said, hey, I bet you we're going to here. And sure enough, we did make it to there. Okay, so that is the 1 minute NASDAQ. Let's look at the Dow Jones. What did it do? Wow. Didn't really do much of a move up. Oh, this is the open right here. This wick right here is the opening of the stock market. So if you did this trade, you take it here, high and higher high. Let me show you. Let me just squeeze it here just to show you. Easier. We have a high and a higher high. And we have a lower high on the indicator, which would have got you short right in there. Okay, so it would have told you to sell right there, and that was at 5 minutes before the open. So if you did sell it here, it went all the way down 293 points. And there was a trade here to sell it, and it worked. And there was a trade here to sell it, and it worked. All right, let's look at the S&P 500. Oh, look at how they sold off the VWAP. All right, the VWAP traders made money today. Awesome. That's awesome. Look at how many times it bounced off the VWAP. That's not my kind of trading thing, but hey, kudos to the VWAP traders. Not only the VWAP traders, but the value gap traders too, I think. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Where would I get that from? Shapes. Sorry, I'm slow here. I don't usually pull this tool out. Okay. Right across here. There it is. See? Back up into, I don't know if that's the fair value gap or just into structure. I don't know. Which I would call resistance. But anyway, it came back up. You sell it, you would have done good. Okay? You would have done good. All right. That's the Dow. No, that's the S&P. Sorry. Let's take a look at oil now. What did oil do today? We're on the 5 minute. I know we have a trade right here. Boom. And boom. Also, I want to mention that on Saturday I'll be doing a video on the weekly time frame, just to show you how amazing this can work. And like, if you don't have time to sit here and day trade and, you know, try and trade the noise, you can trade the weekly, and you only need to look at your chart once a week on Sunday when the market opens, and that's it. You can spend the rest of your time doing whatever you want, and I'll show you the divergence trades on there. Okay, so that'll be on Saturday. This coming Saturday, I'll do that video and I'll post it. So I hope you're all going to check it out, and you'll see how you can make hundreds and thousands of pips, man. Points, pips, whatever. Whatever you want to do. I'll be looking at the pound dollar for that. Okay? I also could show some maybe 4-hour trades too, maybe on the NASDAQ, but for those kind of trades, I'd stay away from the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is a very particular instrument. So anyway, if you would have sold right here, no drawdown, Your stop would have been 42 points on oil. Well, it went down 120 and came back up, went back down again. Setting up for divergence right now. Low and lower low right there like that. And right there, you just need price to come up over the two moving averages. You need the 5 to cross up and close above the 7 EMA. Okay, let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen. Okay, it did its move throughout the UK session and stopped. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. It's just sideways crap. Look at this crap. Oh, it's actually had a range of 40 pips on the daily. I mean on the 5. I mean since 8 o'clock, since the US session opened. Let's take a look at the euro yen. Is it any better? Oh, we got to take the auto scroll. Yeah, it's the same shit. Actually, let's see. Let's see. There's divergence there. Even though it doesn't look like it down there. See, it looks level, but it's divergence. And from here to here, yeah. This one's going down, see? That one's going up, see? Going down, coming down. That's divergence. All right, so if you would have sold right in here, let me grab that arrow and put it in. Boom, right there. Would have sold at 154.50. Right there, it has went down 28 pips. So there's a trade right there. Let's bring this back up here. Okay. I'm looking here to here. There's divergence there. It is like, it went crappy sideways. And then it did a big spike up. I know I wouldn't be buying there because it's in such a downtrend. Okay, look at the 15 minutes, see? I wouldn't be buying in here, no. Because it's in a downtrend today. That's the thing. You always look at the higher time frame, and if it's saying the opposite of what you're trying to do, if you want to be safe, don't freaking do it. Like on the 5 minute, okay, it's saying buy in here. This is a buy. We got low and lower lows, right? It says buy. But if you go to the 15 minute, no, it's not saying buy. That's it. Let's look at gold. Gold just did one big, huge sell-off. Look at that shit. Like 243 points that just dropped. Isn't that crazy? There's no like blue higher closing candles all the freaking way down. Look at that. Just red, 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 red. It's a bloodbath. Look at that shit. Oh, I hate when it trades like that. I know there's people who probably like when it does trade like that, but anyway. And our last instrument of today is the pound dollar 5 minute. And it looks like the pound yen. See the 15 minute? Downtrend. All the way down. See that? No buying all the way down. No buying here. No buying here. All right. Did we have a trade? Yeah, we had one trade. Here it is, right here. From here to here. And here to here. And you would have got short right here, but look at it. It's at major support right there. I don't know if you'd want to sell it. I wouldn't want to sell it there. You got major structure right there. Look at that structure. Right? See that? Do you really want to sell into that? I think most people would like to buy into that. I wouldn't sell there with all those wicks and structure and support there. I would have let it go. Okay, that's it for today for Divergence Setups. Once again, my name's Jason, and I love to trade divergence. It's my passion, and I'm here to show you guys how well it works. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.